how that young man, even though I've not met him, is transforming the life of all the adults in the village. I want you to make use of that golden opportunity. Since you are not educated, and keep yourself educated.
Let me ask you, my boy. What is the good thing inside this store now? Make I ask you. Let me just tell you. Me, I know good one. At this, thank God they say you never even see him at all. Because when you see that boy, when he dey insult people, you know go even green me make I go there. That people you go look people finish, you go call them say they be Nikom Popo. You go look them, you go call them that they have paternal diminution. He says some of them have biological quagamentia. Is that what you want me to go and hear? Mba, my son, Mba. I will not do that.
See, Papa, that word, it is not Ninkompupu. And all the other grammar that you just blew, that word is Ninkompu.
What concerns Ninko and the Pupu that is in it?
Anyway, Papa, see, education is a respecter of nobody. No matter how old or how rich you are. All I want is for you to go there, bend down, get whatever they teach, whatever that small boy is teaching, get it and make use of it so that you can become valuable.
Hi! Chai!
What, Papa?
So, you look me finish. You look me finish. Say me, I don't get the value.
No, it's not what I mean.
So what do you mean be say your father is valueless? Your own father will born you, train you. You go to ship, make money. Now you look me finish. Say me, I dey valueless.
Papa, it is not what I mean.
You for look me first, don't tell me say you want to insult me. Then you shower me with the curse.
See, Papa, I'm sorry. I don't mean to insult you. That is not what I mean. Anyway,
Oh,
Papa, I'm sorry.
my own son, they tell me say me, I am valueless.
Papa, take this. One jar of pami for you.
Oh, now you are coming. Give it to me. I don't want to look where the thing is coming from. Give it to me. All this while you've been doing I don't know what has been withdrawing you back.
No, Papa, I still maintain what I'm saying. See, if you start attending this school, I will give you whatever you want as far as God is alive for you.
No problem. I will go.
But we have not finished now.
Don't worry, discussion continues. Let me go out and come back. And then we'll continue the discussion. Where is my car? Let me come. When I come, we'll continue where the discussion is.
But Papa, I hope you are not going to use all that money on Pamio.
You use this money on Pamio. Okay.
If you come back with some, I will manage you.
I will come.
Papa, you are too funny.
Yes, Your Highness. What I am saying is that armed robbers have started visiting our community. As a matter of fact, they came to my house last night. Yes.
You mean armed robbers came to your house last night?
Exactly where? They came to my house and they ransacked everywhere. In fact, they searched everywhere. Even though they did not succeed in taking anything away. They didn't succeed.
But I didn't hear any gunshots last night.
Maybe because they are fearing the vigilante. They don't want the villagers to be attracted. They must have known how they sneaked. I said they came to my house.
Which means they are professional robbers.
Exactly. And that is why I have come to report to you very early, this early, so that you take all the necessary or precautionary measures.
Thank you very much. I must do something fast about that.
Very important.
That reminds me. I heard what your children did.
Oh. That's true, Igwe. And to make matters worse, Igwe, they have refused to go to school.
Then give them job or send them to learn trading, apprentice.
Igwe, you will not understand. I have done all those. I've done all that. All they want is to remain in this village and be perpetuating troubles, confusion here and there. I have tried. How many times?
Well, I will help you talk to them.
Please, Igwe.
Just when you get home, tell them all that I said.
I will. If only I will see them in the house. Because since this thing happened, I have not set my eyes on them. I will try. Huh? That's a wonderful cook you've always been.
Who are you? Where are you going to? Huh? We are your children. You are going to our house.
This is insult.
How can you say you are my children? How can you? I don't even have a child. Talk more of having children.
Oh, man, how can you say a thing like that?
Why can't I say a thing like that? Why would I say so? Are they my children? They are not. This is insult. Look at them. And their parents not making their parents proud at this level. Huh? Get out of my Papa, wait. That one na for your pocket. Na for your pocket. What do we know say be say na our house be this. And you be our papa and she waited there na our mama. So, and I do okay, no la. Oh, we do okay.
But I'm okay.
I do okay.
Who is okay?
I do okay.
In my own house.
I do okay.
All right, you wait. No! Very soon, I will know who owns this house. You wait. Can I leave them alone, Biko?
When they leave me alone, we are going to leave you alone. What is that? I will not leave you alone. Hey! Come here! This now.
I said, leave me alone.
I love you. The love I get for you, a full bucket, a full drum, and I won't carry them, give you.
Why won't you let me be? You are old enough to be my father. Go and look for someone else. I'm not available, please.
You go say you know they're available. You be not work. Now me and you, they see ourselves koro here. I make I just tell you, see that one way they talk about love, you are older than this one. Love, no, they look better for face. Love, no, they look age. Love, they blind.
Don't touch me! Please.
And make I tell you, now that kind of love where you see where I get now, now I won't carry, give you. Because you know they look for eye. He blind. Anything where you want to make I do for you, I go do it for you. If you say make I cut grass, I go cut grass.
Okay. You say you love me.
With my heart. Yes.
Okay, if you say you love me, pull off your shirt and use it and clean my legs. Now.
You don't say...
I said pull off your shirt, the one you're wearing. Pull it off and clean these beautiful legs.
You mean this shirt where I wear?
Yes, now.
If like this one what they wear, no, you know, I know the problem. If I finish,
remove it now.
I go take and go give a...
You love charity. Remove it.
I go give a dry cleaner. Laundering people. They go just wash her. I think I did already talk.
Yes.
Where you tell me that? Make I carry the leg.
Don't carry it up. I said clean it. Are you cleaning it or you're romancing me?
No, at the romance they clean. Come here.
What's the meaning of this now?
Everything go turn around, you know.
But who are you people now?
We want to turn you around. Come, jump like the floors are with.
This is my care, no? This is my...
Carry yourself.
What have I done to deserve this?
Everything is turning around.
Turn the rope around on him.
Do you know whom you are doing this to?
Who? Don't be... Oh, go away. Now, don't call them, they may be the best. Come. Now you...
Lie down.
Yeah, now you...
Now you want to flog me?
No, you don't flog him.
You want to flog it?
You don't flog him.
I want to give you food.
Only you go now you flog.
Come on, lie down. Lie down if you want. Lie down.
You're Nash. Oh.
What have I done? Now what have I... Who are you people? What have I done?
You don't know.
God, die. Forgive me. Whatever I've done, please.
Everything is turning around.
No, it's no more turning around. It's
I don't hear anything you talk. And I don't agree say I will go to school. But on one condition.
Papa, whatever the condition, provided you have agreed to go to school, I will do it for you.
Okay. What think will happen be say I could take my leg, go find out how much way it will cost me to go to the school. Then I go come back and come tell you. Then you give me money for my hand. I go register myself.
No, Papa, now. I don't want you to stress yourself now. I will do that for you.
Leave that stress for me. I want to stress myself. What thing I do for house they do? I go take my hand, take my leg, take my body, go to that school, go register myself. If you go register me, how I go manage? Okay, if you know them, when we come to do another registration, now who go come register? So leave it for me.
Okay, since you want to do it that way, I will have to do whatever. But
But what, Kwame? Just give me the money. I go there, go do it by myself. Except anyway, I check what's in the night for your watch there.
It's just 12 o'clock.
Hi!
What?
12 o'clock? Hi! Make I go see my friend. He told me to make I come 11:30 now. Make I go here.
Okay.
When I come, we finish up what we talk. Make they think I'm making me safe at the
No, I have accepted. Greet your friend for me.
Hey, my boy.
Bye-bye. God, I thank you. Since you have agreed to go to school, that means my father will be educated.
My mother. I like it. You sabi love. What?
Yes, no.
I know say you sabi love. Even to an extent, we dey work for farm. They work for bush. Now that love what they do for
yes, I don't want anybody to see.
Yes. You look good. You look good. You see, as you bring me come here, I like her too much. I like her too much so that people, so that the people no go see us. So that people no go see us.
Okay. I brought you here.
Yes.
To test and see if you really love me, like you claim.
I love you. I love you.
Okay. Well, if you say so,
yes,
I will choose corporal test for you.
Corporal test?
Yes.
Why not make it sergeant test?
No,
or you make it test. Inspector test? Look, even if na what did they call aptitude test? I go pass them.
Are you sure?
I am very, very intelligent too.
Okay. I know. Okay. Now, lie down.
Hey.
I think you like it here.
Yes, I like it. The place is very neat.
Lie down. Please lie down.
Let me clean my leg.
Clean it very well.
How am I going to lie down? Like this?
Shift smaller.
I should open my leg. Are you coming inside here?
Trust me now. Just turn.
Turn
this way. Yes, turn. Turn,
You want to climb on top of me?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Hey.
They touch me. You never make me like this. I like your hand.
Are you crying or what?
No, I am singing love song.
Sing it very well. Don't cry, because if you cry, it means you've lost. You failed my test.
Charity begins. Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home.
What is it now?
No, I am.
Do you want to quit at this last minute?
For this guy, I don't reach the area where I go. I love you. Charity, stop him. Charity, stop him. This is love. Charity, this is love. Don't pass love.
What is this?
This is not a punishment.
So, if you continue like this, it means you have failed all that you have labored for. Do you know that?
I don't want to fail it, but this is not a punishment. I don't love again. I don't love again.
What?
I don't love again.
You don't love me again? Are you trying to quit at this last minute?
No, besides, talk like that.
Me again.
But for the moment, make I carry the love, go give somebody else. I beg you, take God, beg you.
Listen, let me tell you. You are the biggest fool.
I don't take him. I take him.
God ever created in the face of the earth.
I take him.
If you ever stop me on the road again,
yes,
this will be a better option compared to what I am going to do to you.
Fool!
What? Fool!
God, who tell me something I can't enter this kind of love? Any day when I see you for road to stop you again, make you call me yellow fever, or you call me last man, or even roadblock. God, see, that is not going to pick up.
Good morning, my husband.
Mama is my wife.
Sir?
This one that you are early to school today?
Yes, it is my turn to conduct morning assembly. And you know I like punctuality. That's why I wake up very early, do what I'm supposed to do, then get set to school.
That's very good. That's very good. Punctuality is the soul of business.
Yes,
I like that. That's very nice. That's very good, you know.
Thank you, my
And not these my stupid children that have refused to even go to school. All their dreams, their wishes, their aspiration is just to become village champions.
My husband, is it not better you get a job of their qualification? I believe when they get into it and see the environmental challenges, they'll be forced to go back to school. Yes.
Yes, you have a point there. But I pray it's only God that will touch them. I just pray that God will touch them wherever they are. It's the Lord's will. What have I not done for them?
My husband, God will help you. Let me be going. I don't want to be late. Thank you.
That.
Thank you.
Oh yes, punctuality is the soul of business. Good to be in a place at a good time. Yeah, Ogini, why are you carrying this kind of loaded face? Look at your face. You want to turn to ugly woman overnight? What is your problem this time around?
There won't be any peace in this house until you go and bring back our children.
Your children, not our own children. Yes! And if you like, carry the face like Adolf Hitler or Idi Amin. Or even if you like, carry the face of Uwezuoke. I don't bloody care. You and those charlatans, those stupid idiots that you call your children. You people cannot kill me in this house. You will never kill me in this house.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, now they are no longer your children. They are now my children. But let me tell you something. They are not charlatan. My children are not charlatan. Go and bring them back.
There! They are!
They are
you
not.
don't know. Keep dreaming. Dreamer. Nonsense. You have me. They will not kill me in this house.
Just
I don't know where you have them.
Can't bring back
They are
my
vagabonds.
children. They are not.
Nonsense.
Go and bring them back. They are not vagabonds.
Papa, welcome.
Oh, my son.
Papa, this one you are working as if you do all this attention that we used to do at government field.
As I come out, I go learn how to do attention.
Welcome. But you kept me here for the past 2 days now. You know I am supposed to go back to the city by now.
Hey, you want to go now?
Now I have to go. Nobody's in my shop and you know I locked it up.
I'm sorry.
But Papa, are you catching cold?
Now since that time when I go do as right, now this is start. You know, so sometimes as a man, when music change in level, you too as a man you change the level.
You are too much. You have started again. Anyway, sit down so that we can talk. So that you know I have to go back to the city.
No, now. I first time make it talk. Make it talk. I think you said you want to go. It's no need for me to sit down now. See, since when I call my friend that place, now so they keep me sit down, stand, sit down, stand, sit down, stand. We don't talk so that you go.
Papa, this is your house now. That place is your friend's house, but you are in your house now. How can we be talking and you are standing while your son is sitting down? It is not proper now.
This boy, this stubbornness waiting for your body. Since way I born you, you still carry my things. Say by now you go down to the one for city.
But it's like father like son now. I know they're stubborn.
Okay.
Papa, you are funny sometimes. This one you are sitting and raising one leg up. What is the meaning of it?
Now the new style where I learn for my friend their place.
No, Papa, no.
To sit down like this.
No, Papa, are you sure you are okay? Huh?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
They call them Danga style.
Sit well now. Stop doing all
No. I'm okay like this. Make it discuss because before you know now, time don't pass.
But Papa, I am confused now. How can I be discussing why you are sitting?
I be like a person with one mess. You will just give me a like.
Papa, you are wasting my time. Sit well.
Olije,
what is it now? Papa!
So what are you trying to say, woman?
Why is it that anytime you have an issue with your daughter, she keeps saying that she came to punish you? What kind of language is that?
Will you shut up? Is that what you are bothering yourself with? Why are you talking like a kid? Don't you know that a child that behaves the way she behaves, or a child that lives her kind of life, can always open her mouth and say anything that she likes?
That is not the issue. That is not the issue at all. She keeps repeating it. And sometimes she will tell me to come and ask you that you know the problem you're going through.
Woman, I hope you are not here to cause more headache to me. Please, I'm not in that mood at all, please.
Chisom.
Hey, yeah. Stop there or I will stop you myself. I said stop.
Look, Mr. Man, you know you cannot stop me. I can only stop when I choose to stop.
Did you hear what she just said?
What did she say?
She said she can only stop when she chooses to stop. What is all this? What is happening?
I should be asking you that question because I am sure that every other thing that I have explained to you is very clear. In fact, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to summon your people before my own people for you to explain how you got these children. Well, none of them behaves like I do. None of them is my child.
Nancy.
Eh?
You lie. They are your children and you know it.
Okay. You will explain all that when your people come, right? Don't know when and how you get them.
I say palava day. See a day for your house. This one they give you chopper.
Mama, are you going? Are you going? Mama, it's about what I told you earlier. Mama, no, you're my only hope. Please.
The only help. Listen, the only help what I go give you, be say, go for that backyard. Carry that big hole, no be the small one, the big hole. Go for.
Hey, Mama, now, Mama, I know all this why. I'll be helping myself out through education, please. This one I'm talking about is WAEC. WAEC. External examination.
WAEC. Listen. WAEC or no WAEC, no go make you be a big man. You hear him? See in Dubisi, in Papa die, in come out from school, go boy, 10 years. Now in come back, come become big man. Man say Ofoka, a farmer, come on farmer. Nobody they challenge him for this village for money. You hear him?
No, Mama, see, I promise you one thing. I promise you, Makatom, to God who made heaven and earth. If I finish my education and get a job, I swear to God Almighty, you'll be the first person to eat my body. I mean it, though. I mean it.
Hey! Oh, good. Hey! Your dream don't worse past those who get malaria. It don't worse past those who get malaria. You hear them? How many people will go school get job for this time? Make you talk. Maybe they go serve the people who no go school. My boy, make money. Eh? You go see how people they go answer you. Sa. Even if you they talk lie, they go carry you up. They sing praises. They go say everything where you talk. Now
Mama, no, please, you can't do this to me now, Mama. No,
Okay. The only money where they now, I said they talk, be the one where I go give the people where go weed my farm. If I say this thing finish, I go call them. They go weed my farm. Unless you go do the job, make we talk price. You go collect the money. You go do am, Abi, make I go. You go do am, Abi, make I go.
Mama, I will.
Now you come now. Nah, I dey come back. When I go come back, we go talk the price. You hear? Go do other thing. I dey come.
Mama, it's not fair.
Go.
Mama, it's not fair. Mama, you can't do this to me. Your only son.
Oh, wow. Are you not going to school today?
My mother refused to give me the money for my WAEC registration.
Why? Hey, don't tell me you get so offended though.
No. All this while I've been coming to school. It was with the help of my father. But since after his death, my mother said no to my education. And just know that when I didn't come to school, that I went for a job. But now, it is WAEC. And going for a job will disrupt me from my lesson.
Oh, go on. Can't you go to any of your aunt or uncle for help?
Those ones, they're all in the city. And besides, they're not in good terms with my mother. Okay. Father, why?
What do we do now?
I don't know. She said that the only money she has is for the laborers that will work in her farmyard. That if I need the money, that I should do the negotiation price with her and go and do the job.
What? You mean your mom said you have to negotiate with her first before you work on her farmyard?
Yes.
So you have to work before she will give you your WAEC registration fee. Eh?
That's what she said. I was dumbfounded when she said it though.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Father, why did you leave me? Oh?
Okay. Oh. No, don't worry. Eh? You have to work on the farm.
Eh?
Yes.
You mean I should go and do the job?
Yes. Don't forget that working in your mother's farm is like working in your own farm as well. Don't worry, I'll help you.
You mean you will help me work in the farm?
I will help you so that I'll finish the work on time, okay? You know what you have to do? Just get up so that I'll get set for school.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, get up. Let's go.
Job well done.
I'm so tired after today's work.
Yeah.
Believe me. Yes, guys, I'm tired.
Hey, Ndidi, I must confess, you are a God sent. I wonder what I would have done without you.
Oh, one. You amuse me. I did what I was supposed to do now.
I'm now happy. So, I'm going to take my WAEC. Hey.
Likewise me. It will be bad for me to sit for the exam without the most intelligent one in our class.
You have made me the most happy someone on earth. In fact, I'm going to make you proud.
Well, thanks for that promise. But there's only one thing that I need from you. And that thing is total concentration on your studies. That's all.
With this, I'm going to surprise everybody. When I get home, I will collect the money. Tomorrow morning, I will register.
Well, that's a good thought.
Yeah.
But Ogwon, please, we have to hasten up, so that we'll get home on time to prepare our dinner.
It's like you have forgotten I'm a fast walker. What shall I see?
All right, let's go now.
Oh God!
What is it again? I didn't see you in school today. What happened?
Can't this money?
This 2,000 naira,
That is the money she paid me for the work we did.
Oh. But you told me that you people negotiated first.
Yes. We agreed on 7,000. But she paid me 2,000, saying that we did the childish work. That she will still need to bring laborers that will work on the farm, that will give her what she wants.
Where is she anyway? I need to talk to her. I need to tell her that we did the work together. And we did it to the best of it.
She's out. Besides, that won't make her change her mind. She has decided to frustrate me. But God, God is alive for me.
You know what, Ogon? Huh? It's okay. It's okay. But, Ogon, I need to rush back now. Take your money. I need to rush back now to know whether my other brother, Frank, is back. He said that you'll be coming to see us today. I'll see you later.
Okay. Thanks for your concern.
You're welcome. Bye.
I'm your brother now. Why?
May God punish you. You, my brother. You, my own brother. I told your mother that what goes around must surely come around. This is exactly what she did to me when I kept asking her money for my sick mother. Her own sister, for that matter. This is what if you don't live here, the next one I will be asking. I said, live here.
It's not fair, Nandi.
Fool! Her own sister. Your mother is a heartless woman. I'm not finished with you people. I will deal with you people one by one. Even your dead father, better. Go to the market. Oh God.
Ogon, don't tell me that at this your age you are still foolish enough to swim with this kind of clothes. When you know that your mother can hardly give you the money to buy another one. Ogon, so I'm not talking to you, and you're looking at me as if I'm a fool, Ogon.
Didi, if not for God, by now, I would have been a dead person.
Tell me what happened.
I went to see Brother Nnamdi. He did not even listen to me. Only for him to go inside, came out with water and poured it on me. Look at my body.
Now tell me, what's his own grievance now?
He keeps saying all the bad thing my mother did to him and his mother.
Anyway, it's okay, Hey, guess what?
I'm not in that mood.
Guess what now? Anyway, after telling my brother what happened, he gave me 10,000 naira to give to you.
Give you what?
10,000 naira, and he said that the money is meant for your WAEC stuff and some things that you need in school.
To me, Mama. Hey, thank you very much. What would have been my condition if not for you?
Hey, you don't have to thank me. Just thank God, okay?
Okay, thank you.
There's one more thing. He said that all he needs from us is just for us to be serious with our studies.
No problem. Can we go and see your brother?
Well, by now,
just coming from the house now.
Hey, Ogon, take no offense, okay? That was the instruction that you gave. Okay. You know what? Later I come to the house and collect the money, When I'm going somewhere.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright, I will see you later,
Thank you. I'm very proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
10K. Let them walk out. It's okay. Hey.
Ogon! Hey, Chineke, Ogon, where is my money? Why you go thief my money? Why go collect the money where I keep?
No,
Oh, because I dey drink alcohol. You think say my brain don't scatter, I don't come out?
No, Mama, I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't see any money, not to talk of taking the money now.
Hey. Look, now today you go join that your foolish father.
Your only son?
For grave. Oh, my sweat. You go carry and go register WAEC. Eh? Bring that money.
No, Mama, I've told her I got the money. Eh?
Criminal.
What else do you want me to say,
Criminal.
Mama?
You still there talk? You still there talk? Oh yeah, give me the money.
No.
Give me the money. Give me the money.
Ay, Mama.
Okay, you there wrong. Wait. Hey!
Mama, I'm your only son. Remember that Papa is dead. And you can't give birth to any other child again.
Hey!
Mama!
Mama! Hey!
You're
only one time to give me, sure. Hey!
Hey. Sorry. Hey.
You see, all these were the story of my life. So that is why I keep telling you, you should take your studies serious. I mean, seriously. You do not allow anybody, whether your father or your mother or anybody, to deprive you of your educational rights. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You must be serious with your studies. Read hard so that you will become something in the community. And the community will be proud of you.
Thank you.
Study hard. Burn your night candles. Study and study and study harder. So, it's like I'll not give you people an assignment today. You have to go home, relax, just enjoy yourself. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
I've been looking for you and your brother to ask you some few questions.
Any question will you ask? You go pay money.
Okay.
I have to ask my brother. It don't cost you something. If there is any question where you go ask here, it will cost you something, sir. I say don't drop, oh yeah. Ask your question.
See, my father told me that he had an appointment with somebody for the past 2 days. And he only came back with pains and stripes of canes all over his body. So I came to ask if you people actually know something about it.
Your father? Your father went for shots to come out for your house. In fact, it don't tell when we lose contact with your father. It don't tell when we never see him again. He need to be our friend again. For a long time now. Yeah, Papa, pursue us for your house midnight. Chase us come out for midnight. In fact, I don't even verse as I hear Papa them now.
So that is to say that you people don't know what happened to him.
We don't know. If I say yes now, you go take her. But let me tell you, if say my father come this thing, I beat you. Your Papa will pursue us in a very big midnight. You know what they will pass for night?
No.
We pass for me water. When I go one borehole, go there fetch water. We come pass python, pass one snake, pass Ajuala. Even happy. All the water will pass, they don't kill us. Is that they kill us if I beat us here?
No. Thank God that they didn't kill you. Please, can both of you follow me to the house? Maybe my papa will open up to you.
We people. Follow you go your house. As the Baka say, Bobby or Black Eagle. So we'll be like security people. Or
you know, you are his friend now. You people are his friend. He can open up to you.
Okay. If we the follow you go your house, you go come out under 1,000. Or else, no movement. Give us more 1,000. Add 1,000 to the one we don't bring. No, we go, don't worry.
1,000.
Uwe a ka ị nwanne eji oke na eji aja oke.
So, the one who go now. Give me this your car. Bring her. Make her sit. More than me. Move.
Mpio. You got me.
This is they call me Oga. You don't know your customer again?
Sorry, sir. What am I going to do for you?
I want to buy medicine. Medicine for pains.
Pain?
Pains.
How they do you?
Oh, pains all over my body.
Hey! What in? They buy you hot water?
You dey crazy?
No.
I said make you give me this and that you dey touch me.
Sorry,
you dey touch me, you be doctor for pregnancy.
Now make I know how the thing they do you now.
Me when carry the pains, they tell you say pain dey pain me, you dey. In fact I don't go.
No, come now, come. Come take the medicine, oh. You need the medicine, I beg. Our customer come now. Hey. See me wahala. What I can do now?
I say go to school, nwoke a dị njọ, ọkwa ịma na iberibe ajọka. Ihu. Hey! Young man, laziness is no good. Young boss, waka they kill. Foolishness, na number one palaver. Idleness, na devil's workshop. Make you na back up before you go too late. You look for palaver.
You're welcome. So
Hey,
you're welcome.
Nna, you're welcome.
Thank you, Nna.
So when did you come?
No, actually I came back yesterday. Yes, Nna, and I'm here to deliver a message that has been sent to me by your children.
Oh, really? Go ahead. Go ahead. They gave me some envelope for you.
But actually this is yours.
Oh, thank you very much.
Mama, this is yours.
Hey, Nna, thank you. Thank you very much.
Did they tell you how much each envelope contains?
Yes, and actually they said yours contained 20,000. And mommy's own contained 50,000 naira.
Nah, thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you for me. God will continue to bless you now.
And you too. You're welcome. And I have to leave now. I have other people to see in the village before going back to the city.
Oh, that's very, very good of you. Very kind of you. Please try always to deliver all the messages given to you. It makes you a nice boy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, eh?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Hey, woman. Bring that money. Bring that money. Let me share it the way it should be. I know my children, they don't ever make mistake.
It must be Nkwere who misled the message. So, can I have that envelope?
Oh, so suddenly they are now your children. They are no longer my children, they are your children. All of a sudden.
Before uncle, are they yours? They are my children and I know them very well. Now give me that money. Else.
Which money? Which money?
Bring that money after all. I have this and I have that money.
If you travel na bread, if you na salad, you.
All this, I love you. I cherish you. I perish you.
My honey, my sweetie. When they come out your mouth about charity since, and then they hear them from my mouth again. What happened?
Now because I don't satisfy myself. If I tell you what I do that girl, I bring her like this, a hammer and well. A hammer.
Come out here. Come out here. Come out here.
You know say that me will do that thing.
I say come out here. You talk rubbish for where we dey. Now who don't know you that you could tell all this kind of thing? Kukuma just tell us saying that again, I hammer you, just talk rubbish.
Me, as I dey here. How you come hammer me now? Me, who go danger? I say what I do am so today. If he see me now, immediately see me now, he dey run enter inside bush. I dey tell you. You know the grace. If you like, swear with Papa. This is it. You say we don't know you.
What happened? Because of charity in the wrong. Okay. Now we go know whether Hamara or no Hamara.
Okay.
Come, Odara. That picture no dey your papa palo. Man, wey get grey hair no done a house. Eh? You as you rich, as you yellow rich. You know dey respect people. You no get mouth to greet. You no see these two people wey dey here, two big man, two rich man, two millionaire, two limited wey sit down here. You no see us, you no greet us. You dey craze?
Hey, Charity.
Now who you dey laugh? You dey laugh us, two of us. Now who you dey laugh? Since you be like half current, you dey laugh us. Eh? Make I show this girl something, no. Man just show, man just show her something. Man show her something now.
Hey, hold it there. If you dare touch me, two of you, what I did to that foolish old monkey you called your friend will be a better option. If you know me, you'll really be scared.
Thought I go find you that place where they go. Oh, but you hear that last grammar where she talk? Auction. You didn't call a monkey join self.
Where in there?
Go. You tell us you the hammer charity, don't hammer and you see charity not inside bush. They come out. Which time you talk to Aboki when they pursue Nama?
Me.
This is where you carry now. Who you want to be?
Yeah, it was I see this guy today, eh? And for you, this is like this. How many words like this going to say? Nah, me.
Idiot.
Me, really idiot. If you like, do everything where you want to swear with the papa name. We know what happened.
They get on hammer.
Idiot, and she just finished you. Beg. I know. You don't understand.
She come. Where you want to go now?
I won't go bring another stick now.
You never beat and this one finish. You want to go bring another one?
I go use two now. Knock like this.
Shut up your mouth. You don't get any. You're just a coward. A coward. Don't know anything. That's my picking. I make you the run. Fat. As it be so now, I don't come up for this place. Huh?
My son, if you go make you go well, eh? God will protect you. God will give you Johnny Mercy. But I beg you, make I don't tell you. As you go city now, I beg. Make you come out your eye for where woman dey. You know say you don't put yourself now into project. As I did go to school now, you know say na money where you gonna spend. Now you tell me make I go school.
Papa, I promise you I will always be very careful. Once you keep to your studies, whatever you need, forget, I will do it for you.
No problem. Before you come back here again. In fact, not be say you go see surprise, now surprise will come see you.
Thank you, Papa. I'm happy to hear that. I have to leave so that I get the next available bus. Okay. But whatever you need, just call me on the phone.
I go call you, yeah?
Okay.
I will call you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, chai. Hey. Thank you. If the suicide bombers suicide bombers indicating interest. Chankon Chikwan Hong. Then, if there is amnesty, there should be interestees. Sorry, you never cure your cough. Cough me.
What did you do?
Chinkwan Ton, la Gion Pontonviste.
What do the Chinkwan Ton, la Gion Pontonviste?
I dey study my study here.
Oh. Now the study where they told me make you speak Ching Chong Hu, Ching Tong Hu, Pencho, Shin je vois les vous. Oui, je parle. J'avote là. Oui, j'avote là.
I dey study language. Language of the people. When I know say my son come look my face to finish, he tell me say if me I no start school, say no go call me and papa again.
You begin.
I dey tell you. When I know what I dey face here.
Now the book is started.
Now he make. I come tell and say okay, no problem. Now I collect money from my hand. See, instead of me, I no go fit to go inside that class, go sit down with that small boy. Okay. We no get respect for your elders. Make that boy there, they teach me, they insult me, they do anything. Now I come to use this. If you see the grammar where this people they speak here, the school where they are passing through that school, I dey hear them they talk about amnesty development, which is expiring under expiration.
What is amnesty? So now they study now.
Yes.
So Onije know say if they go to this school now. He know Onije. He know.
He no need to know. But by the time he come back, I can't speak all this grammar where I don't hear from this my packaging. Himself go believe say he go ask me whether I go school for London or been for America where I go school.
Speaker make we hear again. Speak that grammar.
Okay. Speaker. If there's a combat which Americans then Tozuk into Palestine, then the kidnappers turns and move, then will loop themselves into terrorists.
Terrorists for here. Pick other one. Remove terrorists. No good. Terrorists na kidnap.
Okay. Then, notwithstanding terrorists, what about the bombing? Hey! Chris, you just talk terrorists now. You just see conjoy bombing inside. You don't talk about the terrorists we talk. You see bombing. You don't talk about walking.
Are you there? What do you want to make? I dey hear grammar.
No say this grammar at all.
Abel, make I ask you. How today go be?
Ebuku na.
You go see go
I just wait.
Abanjo. Abanjo.
Make I keep this my
terrorist of the.
Make I keep this my package. Make I put my hand here. Nobody go.
Picasius. Voulez.
Chapa.
No. I don't know. If I call you, if I tell you say you do momo or you get stupid, what do you do? You go first.
You are the Chris. Can go first.
Come. They speak at the level. They speak the good. They speak at the level.
You didn't tell me like now. Do you know what is called? The leakage of the drum is in the quality.
That is
I don't know what
is the it's okay.
If there's the climbing of the ocean, the river will somersault.
There will be
Now me first on the top. You wait, you know you see you but wait for something to the truth. You see this school of anybody they talk. Yes, I don't stay inside house and then I finish. I don't. You see that my packaging? That my packaging. I don't do it. I learn every English. I don't learn Latin. I don't learn Greek. Do you know this is Indian combined with China? I think confused now. Because since we don't talk, you never talk anything. What is chun 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 chun? You don't ask them. You are anything when they enter like this, they come out. They enter, they come. Me, I know where they enter, they come out. I know say you know where. Not do just bad thing, no. I know say where. I know say you know where they come out. Something where they enter like this, they come out. I know say you know, but himself, you don't think when they do that thing where they talk. Now two of us know. Okay, wait, am I telling you the truth about this movement? You know, say China. For China, for India, they no fit to talk without China. China no fit to talk without what they call, you know, using. Okay, so I dey speak this yourself. You know, they confuse yourself. Okay, when I go speak Latin, go speak. What do I do? I'll take your education.
Good afternoon, sir.
You see, no, they come from education. Yes. Every time when I go the waste of time for that Ngo community consultative school. When I know sabi anything, like my friend them, I dey they teach them linguistics. Then they confuse. Then if I can't speak Latin, can't put on Greeks, they can't speak Portugal. Let me say when I say when they go to school, when I go just drop on a school, just go Portuguese.
I know that you know how to speak China very well.
Yes.
But can you translate this in English?
Say it.
Very simple.
Yes.
Kanye Baritoka.
Kanye Baritoka. You want me to translate it in English, Latin, or Pidgin?
In English.
In English?
Yeah.
Very simple. Let's Kanye Baritoka. Let us insult church together. Go. Wait. Tell us what they laugh. They tell us that I know education comes. He asked somebody something. He answer you, they laugh. When I leave person one, I go ask question for that in our school. He come there ask somebody where they. Now I don't give you the answer. You go pay.
You didn't get it correctly. You did not. What kind of job? You didn't get it correctly.
Who said so?
Me. I told you didn't get it correctly.
Okay, do you want me to say it in Latin?
No, don't worry. But let me give you a very simple one. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Ara onayege.
Oh God, very simple. Very simple. Very simple. If you can say it. That's it.
Oh yeah, now me.
Tell on the thing. At least you don't listen to my words. If you talk, I'm teach them. Why they not go ask me something way big? That's small thing that they ask. People want the education. We want not the education. You ask us small thing. Ask us big thing. What do you talk that time? Talk about again.
Okay, no problem. My question be say, ara onayege.
It's like he knows.
Breast won't befriend you. I don't get out. Now the answer now. What do they do? What are they laugh? It depends on the kind of breast. Is it big breast or small breast? There's no breast in this question. Okay.
You fed this one.
What killed me today?
It's a lie. Ask another one. Ask. Ochunwo kuku nwada. Nwoko nwenwenwoso. That is the most simplest way. Tell us. Tell us. Add more care than this question. Tell him. Chasing chicken.
What is it? Sagging or what?
Falling. Chicken running one delay. Jogging. Chicken transfer. Chicken running. Rotate. Jogging. You see the question? You don't get them. You don't get them. Even the man had. Okay. Okay. Come on. You. Tell us this one. Okay. Tell us this one.
Okay, Greek and a book person. And I book person.
Don't beg, answer him.
Very simple. Answer him. You will run 3 pepper round. You will not climb it. Then
look at you.
Very simple.
It's also 3.
You don't know anything.
It's also 3.
Is this your education now?
Also.
I am listen here. Running pepper 3 round. Running pepper 3 round. But to climb pepper. Now what? You don't know education.
If they know the pepper is a spell.
You don't even call it pepper. You call it pepper. Wait.
So now you go mess. No do them again. Can you should be like this?
Now the climb pepper. Now what? That's nice.
You get planting pepper.
Now what like this? Now what?
Okay, if you want to apply that in Latin language, say you are climbing.
You no get the money, get am for education. You no get the money, get am for education. As if you no get the money, get am for education. You no get education, you no get the money. Oh,